ALGORAND is currently in this very interesting zone, but will we finally see the bullish move, or will ALGORAND fall even deeper? In this video, I will talk about ALGORAND and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group. You can find daily analyses on Bitcoin, ALGORAND, and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. ALGORAND is currently ranked 63 among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 1.1 billion euros. The coin has fallen over 96% from the last all-time high in 2021, but after reaching this bottom support zone, where we saw the bull in 2021, triggered the impulse. For the first time, we saw a truly bullish upward move and even broke through this last supply zone upwards. Technically speaking, this supply zone is strong because we are from this last fell deep into a deeper low, meaning the sellers were much stronger here, but we managed to break through upwards, although only with this candle wick. And often when we see these wicks above an interesting supply or demand zone, stop loss positions happen here, liquidated, and this energy is used to move them to the opposite side, as in this example. This means this was a bullish signal, but it wasn't enough to move upwards. Further to push, but we are deeper down. And right now we are in this very interesting zone because we have already seen a rejection in this yellow zone. Then we saw a consolidation here and this impulse upwards. We touched these twice with those wicks, and currently we are consolidating in this zone. This means there is a high chance we will get bullish support here and climb back up again. And if we also use the Fibonacci tool, we can see that we are back in this 0.786 Fibonacci zone. If we break this upwards, the chance is high that we will see rising prices again. However, if we see rejection here and break down below this zone, then the chance is high that we will see significantly lower prices. If we go to the daily chart, we can see that we are currently still in this downtrend. However, something very interesting happened here. We were pushed down from these last highs and used these last lows here, where a lot of liquidity lies underneath. Then we saw a small bullish reaction here and another bearish one. That means from this last high, we fell into this low. As we can see here, here is the low and the low. And we saw this massive wick, which was immediately tested again right here. And if we now break upwards, first out of this zone, and break this last high upwards, then the chances are high that we will see rising prices. Because this is our last point here. And if we break through this, it would be the break of structure on the 4-hour candles. That means on the 4-hour candles, we would be bullish again. Because as I said, we have a high here. A lower low. If we now make a higher high here, then there is a high chance that we will see the bullish trend again. And if we break above this last high and find bullish acceptance, then this last highs, yes, a very interesting price range. And from this last high to these highs, we would have a potential of over 30%. And if we also those last break through the highs up here, then this supply zone would be very interesting next. And of course, the last high at around 33 cents. Point to the last high would be over 118%, and on the way up, these purple marked highs would be very interesting price areas to take profits. And from the current prices to the autumn high, we would have a potential of over 1,900. And I think that would be a very good deal for a major coin like ALGORAND. Generally, I think that a good project has high potential and how the old all-time highs will look in this bull run. That means if we really break this last high here at around 15 cents upwards, and if we find bullish acceptance here, I would both buy sport long term and also look for long entries for the short term movements. Because then the chances are high again that we will follow the bullish trend upwards. There are always new entry opportunities. For example, if we form a higher low, you can enter there perfectly. However, if we go up from here, and here we'll get a bearish rejection and break downwards and reinforce this last low, then the chance is high that we'll see significantly lower prices and definitely consolidate here. And if we also break through this demand zone downward, then it looks really bleak for ALGORAND, but right now it still looks good. We are in this interesting zone, and as I said, if we see bullish power now, there is also a high chance we will see the trend reverse upwards. Continue further. So guys, thanks for watching. I wish you all the best in trading and see you in the next video.